Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing my unboxing for my BoxyCharm, so I'll see you there. Okay, so I got the BoxyCharm box, and when I got it in the mail, this right here was already ripped, so I'm not entirely sure why, but I took the box out of that box to check it, and I had gotten this freebie Tarte high performance naturals palette. I took it out to make sure it wasn't broken. So it comes like this. See if I can get it open. And they got all the different like brown shades. There's some mattes. Looks like there's some shimmers in there. So it smells really pretty. So I'll be doing a look with that eventually. But this was one of the free things that came with it. Alright. And let's see if I can get into the box. That works. That does not work. Oops. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, alright, so we got the BoxyCharm. I think the theme is whimsy. And you have everything on here. And all these are supposed to be full-size items. So it looks like the first item is the storybook palette, which is really cute. It's supposed to look like a little book. And you open it up and you have the different colors and their names, and you got like a little mirror. And then this one's got this cute like little mirror saying, kind of like Sleeping Beauty would. Or not Sleeping Beauty, Snow White would. So there's that. I don't think this opens up any further than that though. I think it's just supposed to be a book. Alright. What's the next one? Alright, so the next one I have is the Anaesthetica Pro Series Blush Concealer and Contour. Or not brush concealer, brush cleanser and conditioner. Wow, I can't talk apparently. Alright, so this one's supposed to prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes and condition them, specially formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your brushes and makeup tools. So you got that, and this is a 2.5 fluid ounce or 75 milliliter one. This one doesn't really say. Let's see. We have the Elmis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Let's see, what does this one do? It says a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with a precious trio of rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin with a luminous glow. So that's going to be pretty cool to try out. Let's see what the actual container looks like. You just open it up. Oh, that's cool. It does smell like roses. You use this little container here. See if I get more light. There we go. It's a little better. Like a little teardrop, kind of rosy colored on the bottom. Oh no, that goes that way. Let's see, give you a better look at some of the other things earlier. I don't know if you can see it better. So, yeah, it's a little better. Yeah, that was the Tarte palette from earlier. And then let's see if we can get a better look at the storybook. Alright, so those were a better look at those, and then of course this is just a black container here. Alright, what are these? This is the, looks like Curate London, the, hold on, let's see if I can find it. Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be a blush. Comes in this cute little starry container here. Ooh, that is pretty. You get the different marbling effects. So this one's going to be a little bit of on the darker side. So I'm going to give that one a try. Let's see, what is the blusher supposed to do other than be blush? Alright, this is supposed to add a radiant flush of color to your complexion with the marbled light illuminating blush formulated without talc. Oh, that's kind of cool. Lightweight buildable formula that has a blend of matte pigment and finely milled illuminating particles. So it's kind of sparkly, kind of not. That's kind of cool. Alright, and it looks like the last thing, last thing in this one is called Brow Bar for True Brow Makeover Kit. It's not one of my specialties, but let's see if I can figure it out. Well, that's cool. So you got the 3 different colors. It looks like it's going to be more of my shade anyways. Let's see, the style your brows like a pro with this illuminating brow kit designed to long wear brow shades, 2 long wear brow shades, and a lift sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and flat brow brush. That's cool. So this is supposed to be the shades. I think that's supposed to be a gel formula. And then in here we also have the little brush that you can use as well. Little one. And it's got another one on this side. See it? Yeah. So that's pretty cool. I like the packaging. It's really shiny. Alright, so that's that one. Alright, let's move this out of the way. Okay, and then this one we got here. It's same theme. So let's see. We've got for the first one the Ritual of Sakura. Let's see which this one's supposed to be. Okay, so this one is a shower gel. It's an interesting little applicator for a shower gel. It kind of looks like a mousse container. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, light just died on me. But yeah, it's supposed to be a shower gel. It smells like soap. It doesn't smell like anything. So it says, give your skin the gift of a new beginning with the formulated... Oh, it's a foaming shower gel. Okay. Features a new renewing scent of cherry blossom and organic rice milk. Its uses a unique technology to transform gel into silky soft cleansing foam. Lather up in luxury. That's cool. So this one's supposed to be a gel to foam body wash. I got that one. Okay. And this one is supposed to be Too Faced. Oh, that's cool. So it's a high shine lip gloss in the color Crazy Rich. I don't know if you can see that there. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. It's got like gold and pink sparklies. Glitter, I should say. I don't know if you can see that. That's kind of cool. Let's see. The Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss is what this is. And it's got this cute little heart on it. Sparkle and shine with each twinkling shade of this high shine gloss that brings dimension to the lips with an innovative, cushiony and comfortable texture enriched with natural oils. Unique blends of light reflecting glitters and pearls offer an ultimate rich effect. So that's going to be definitely something pretty. You can use it like by itself or as a topper. I like the packaging, it's really nice. There's that one. Let's see, what's another one? Ooh, looks like we've got the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, the dagger one. It's going to be a waterproof. Alright, this is in Trooper Black. So let's see. It's kind of cool. Comes like this. And of course you got the little tiny felt tip there. It's already ready to go. I don't know, it's a little smudge. But that's cool. Definitely interested in trying that. Oh, it's got resistance when you close it. It's interesting. Okay. Let's see, the Kat Von D Experience Effortless Wing Liner looks with an innovative liner specially engineered for easy application on any eye shape, making the dagger tattoo liner ideal for all makeup junkies. So this is supposed to be really good for anybody who has any kind of shape for eye, not specifically just a one. Oh, I like how they package some of this stuff though. Let's see. This one, get out of the bag. There. We've got a confetti highlighter. It's from here, London, looks like. If I get it open. Oh, it's got packaged all nicely. Oh, this one has just a plain kind of packaging. And then it's got like a kind of coppery, bronzy, speckled highlight, looks like. This one, confetti highlighter. It's to achieve a sun-kissed glow. They features a mix of shades that even have been carefully pressed together for a radiant highlight in one sweep. Oh, that's cool. So it's supposed to blend together instead of being all like spotty, because that'd be weird. Okay, and there's that one. Let's see, what's this one? It says Saturday Skin. Figure out how to open it. There we go. Alright, this is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And this one is supposed to, let's see, what is it? It's an anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers a mineral-rich moisturizer while protecting the skin from free radicals. A fusion of ferments, amino acids, and plant extracts help calm skin while boosting vitality and suppleness. That's cool. Ooh, it's got a little safety seal. That's nice. Can't smell anything through it. Let's open it. Ooh. It's kind of interesting. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like. You like lift that up, and then it just opens up like that. And it's just this kind of whitish, clear gel. Doesn't have smell to it though. So if you don't like smells, that's nice. Yeah. Okay. So that's that one. Let's see. A few more things in here. Let's see. This one is Fresh. From Fresh. It's a soy face cleanser. It's supposed to be for all skin types. Let's see if I can find the opening section. Let's see. Oh, okay. It's a traditional bottle. This is supposed to be rich in amino acids, gently cleanses for, oh, it's for face and eyes. That's kind of cool. Not all of them are. This is a gentle cleanser for all skin types that has a cult flowing for the way it removes makeup, even mascara, without drying for soft, supple skin. It's made with amino acids, rich soy proteins, calming cucumber extract, and a balance of rose water for sensitive skin. It also smooths and tones the skin, so you can use this to take off your makeup, which is nice. No, I don't really see a smell. Maybe when you use it, but in the bottle I don't smell it. There's that one. Looks like we have the, I'm not even sure which one this is. It's this one right here. Let's see, that one, that one. Oh, this one must be the Inner Beauty. Yeah. This is supposed to be an energizing face mist that is a pick-me-up when you need it. Gets you through the day and night. A special biphase formula instantly activates and transforms as you shake it. Really? Let's see. It's green kind of color. Well, that's interesting. It does change colors. A little bit. Let's see. It's formulated with our Even Omit complex, which helps even the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Naturally colored and scented with energizing aromatics from plants. Okay, cool. So it's supposed to help if you got like redness or anything like that. So yeah, if you look at the bottom of it when you shake it, it has got like a blue and kind of a green thing going on there. That's cool. Okay. Oh, what's this? This is the lip line corrector. Oh, that's cool. You gotta twist it to pop it up. Twist it back down. That's cool. So there's that one. And this one is... Alright, the QSM Lip Line Corrector is formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip Line Corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high-performance lightweight serum is specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. Okay, cool. So you're supposed to use it for like your top lip and everything like that to make it easier for you to put like lipstick and stuff like that on it. So that way you don't have to worry about that. Alright, it looks like the last thing in here... Yeah, alright, is a bigger storybook palette. This pretty little blue design going on here. And then this one comes with even more shades on there, which are more like the blues and stuff versus that other one which was like more greens. And it looks like they all have like a little thing on the mirror where you can see. So I'll be doing more of a review on these items. This is just kind of like an unboxing, kind of quick look for that. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be appreciated. Bye!